Yes, how to use onion. Said the other first one, ube use jena ebeye ejuma in the human body. Ebeye ejuma na nourish ni pedriano. Ebeye ejuma na abo by a free array echo. Jene ebwa to help control cardiovascular disorders. Na eye idea se unya kunim diena kunu application of it. It helps a lot. Meaning the Prince Kwesi Amoako, researcher and public specialist, author and a pastor. Niema P. Asetran Emwa, they are very, very important. We have to take serious note about it. Now, a B. Ayedi and a diayenum. Now, this time round, me can be a Jenny onion. Onion is a very important vegetable. If you add it to your cooking, a very, very important. Ebebwa amanema nyina etumi akoso ayekama. Now, maybe trouble be Jenny, yanchi Jenny. Namom jene eye adia se opese eye ejuma pa. Take it raw or steam it. Take it raw or steam it. So the quercetin found in onion. Se ufa jene se ufa na uyusu di aye ediban. Na ufry ana se uchia. Ana se you overcook it. What happens ni se it destroys the most of the nutrients, most of the vitamins and minerals in it, antioxidant and other phytochemicals. Ebe bueni peduano pano. Se wonwa ana woma ne boroso ana wuchi ema ne boroso a ulusu a lot of mineral in it. Entijene ye overcooki ana se we don't fry it. Nambum the best way to use it is to apply it raw. Ebe bua wo papa. Se eka eja ana se uchia. If you fry it and I say, you are going to lose a lot of vitamins. Vitamin C will be eliminated from it. And no phytochemicals will be eliminated from it. And yet, a antioxidant, which helps prevent us from cancer. And also, free emu. Na, and yama when you na yawa vegetables be wa. So, who apply na se wo de can hit ya. Wo shiri enu nura kuro be bre ewomu. Nti jene. Say, pan raw like this. Say, uchukemu say, so, ucheni say, so, over to me at chopping say, uchukemwa, but say, it could have very strong scent, and at the same time, say, substance ya ewomono, the quercetin found in it, chopping na, say, uchucha, now when him crash so, me no gusua make us a mituke, mitimu say, a kameni, the substances. Akameni won say na wani nyina ahyase epro ensuo. Now maybe a very simple question. It's in the form of rhetorical question. Answer it for yourself. Say utwitwa jene na say etumika wani eyemona in raw state no utwitwa won say na wani nyina epro ensuo. But all the can hit here. You don't see that again. Why? Say utwitwa we you don't see the application, the effectiveness of it. After the would you won't any sharp way be a woman? What it means in itself, say Jane can hit, and I say, you destroy the substances in it, the antioxidant. Any idea a woman, another very good way yeta eka eko asem quercetin. Yeah, quercetin, you destroy them. And the Emma say a canipaduanumpa. Ne juma ina mfaso say winya free so no eso ete the journey. It is the best to eat it every day. Journey, it is the best. Say you take it to raw state or slightly steamed and no ena ebe bua wini peduano. Take note of this and it will help you. Onion journey juma papa me no kase nyina mani ashase pese puro ensio because journey ekura very strong quercetin, antioxidant, phytochemicals and vitamin C. Then prevent cancer because of the presence of antioxidant. Antioxidant is the only substance that fight free radicals in the body. Any free radicals, antioxidant it tries to fight it. So onion is good, but use it wisely. Don't overcook it. Don't oversteam it. Or don't fry it, overfry it, but just apply it in the raw state or slightly steamed, and it will help you. It has a lot of health benefit. God bless you and stay healthy.